Welcome to Everyday Technology Solutions. Serving everyone's everyday technology needs. Presents an introduction to everydaytechnologysolutions.org. How to navigate this site. In this video I wish to provide you with tips on how to navigate this website. Once you have opened your favorite browser and typed in this site's address or URL, note that you may also type in edts.org. You will see that this site is both secure and safe. Notice within the browser's Open Window tab is the distinctive EDTS favicon, which is an indication that you have successfully navigated to the correct site, and not to an imitation. The best way to navigate the pages and resources provided within EDTS is by way of the site's menu found at the top of each page. Note that each page contains a back to top arrow, that when clicked, returns you quickly to the top of the current page. Click on a main section menu title to load a page containing pictographic images with titles, that when clicked, brings you to a subsection page within a new browser tab and window. Once on a page, you may scroll up or down, viewing the resources provided. Some pages contain multiple tabs. Each tab when clicked displays a page of resources specific to that subcategory. Click on any link, identified by border lines, in order to visit that selected resource. Simply click on the browser previous page or back arrow to return to the previous page. Click on the Home button at any time to return to the site's first page. Click on an item in the drop-down menu to go directly to the indicated resource page. Now for a quick flash viewing of other Everyday Technology Solutions resource pages. Now that you know how to navigate through EDTS, feel free to spend some time browsing through all of the useful and informative resources provided. Thanks for visiting. Be well and be safe always. Make sure to watch for upcoming videos and resources.